Good afternoon, cyclists. Today is Sunday, October 15th, 2023. Started a bike ride at 2 o'clock. After I watched the women's cyclocross race from Waterloo, Wisconsin. I was waiting on the temperature to warm up a degree or two. Today I'm riding the Linsky Helix bike. Speaking of the weather, it's 70 degrees, few clouds, humidity's 48%, dew point was 49.9. The big deal is the wind. Out of the northwest at 17 miles an hour with 30-mile-an-hour gusts. It makes it feel cooler than the 70 degrees. I'm wearing a little thicker long sleeve jersey underneath my short sleeve jersey. Today's route, going to ride through Kingwood, then to the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway, on to Hamlin Road, take Hamlin Road to Loop 494, go north on that a little short section to the overpass over US 59, take Sorters Road to West Fork High School, and then cut over to Kingwood Place Drive. Go through Kingwood Place, then Oakhurst, and into Auburn Trails. Then to US 59 south to North Park, make my way to Woodridge Forest, and then back to Kingwood. Want to ride at least 22 miles. I'm not sure if this route is going to go that far, so at the end I may need to be creative. Riding on Wildwood Ridge in Bear Branch Village. It's kind of chilly in the shade, but in the sun it's not so bad. Need more sun. Just crossed over Ben's Branch. I'm riding parallel to Kingwood Drive, headed west. I ride this greenbelt several times a week, but in the other direction, going east instead of west. 3.8 miles, 19 minutes after 2. Riding on the Greenbelt Trail in Trailwood Village. Again, I'm riding north to south. More frequently, I ride south to north. 7.9 miles. Time is 38 minutes after 2. Making my way to the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. I'll get on Woodland Hills Drive. That'll take me to the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. Riding south on Woodland Hills Drive. This will connect me to the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. .8 miles, 43 minutes after 2. Oh, an antique car. Entering the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway from Woodland Hills Drive. .6 miles, 46 minutes after 2. It's been a while since I went this direction on the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. I'm on North Shore Drive. The bike route portion of San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. Up ahead's the turn onto the next bayou segment. Another part of the bike route is a Sunrise Trail. Take me to the next part of the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway up ahead. Off of Sunrise Trail onto the Bayou Greenway. I'll cross over Forest Cove Drive. This is Forest Cove Drive. This is a plaque beside the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway off of Marina Drive at the Forest Cove Pool and Community Center. Just left the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway entrance exit onto Hamlin Road, riding west. 12.1 miles, it's 3 o'clock. It's going to be the hard part of the ride from here to Auburn Trails. So I'm going to be going into the wind. That's US 59, I-69. Up ahead is Sorters Road. I turned right off of Sorters Road. I'm riding around the back side of West Fork High School to get to Kingwood Place Drive. A little brief reprise from the wind. .7 miles, 9 minutes after 3. Straight ahead is Kingwood Place Drive. Gus trying to grab my front wheel if I take my hand off. Riding through Walden now. Probably about a mile away from entering Auburn Trails. Typically, when I ride these streets in this order, I go all the way to Valley Ranch. But with the late start and the strong wind. I'm going to turn at Auburn Trails and go back to the US 59 southbound frontage road. I'll take that to North Park Drive and make a U-turn underneath. Then go up to Knox Street, turn right, and go to Loop 494, cross over Loop 494 and the railroad tracks, head into Wood Ridge Forest. 17.9 miles so far. Time is 3:30. I've been using the 35-15 gears because of the strong headwind. Just turned onto Briarberry Lane. We're going to turn right into Auburn Trail. This is I think maybe it's plural, Auburn Trails. 18.8 miles, 34 minutes after 3. Just turned right out of Auburn Trails onto the southbound frontage road. Stay on the frontage road till I get to North Park Drive. Make a U-turn. And go right north on the frontage road over there. 19.6 miles. Time is 40 minutes after 3. I shifted to the 35-15 gears since I'm not riding into the wind as much. Turning right onto East Knox Street. This will take me to Loop 494. 21.9 miles. 47 minutes after 3. Leaving Woodridge Forest onto Woodland Hills Drive. 24.3 miles. Doesn't look like I don't have any problems getting at least 22 miles. Obviously, 24 is bigger than 22. Time is 58 minutes after 3. And I have got my average speed up to 13.0 miles an hour. Kingwood Park High School on my right.